So much for having us here, I appreciate that, this is your beautiful car, right?
Yeah.
How old is this car?
I finished it about 4 days ago. It's got fresh paint on it.
Yeah, so let's go. Oh, does you live in Kalwali?
I live in Bunbury.
In Bombay. So how do you transport this car for this event?
I've rolled up on a truck.
Okay, that's nice. And can you please tell us a little bit about this beautiful car?
So I found a photo. I'll grab the photo, show you that.
Okay.
I found a photo of this gorgeous car.
Whoa.
That's taken here in 1938.
Same grand, 1938.
Yeah.
Wow,
That
that's
was in Darren, same thing.
yeah, that's nice.
And then I built a replica of that. So
Wow.
yeah, so the chassis is about 1918 Cadillac.
1918.
Yeah, and then 1934 Ford grille.
Nice right here. Ford grille, right?
Yeah.
How many series is that?
How many?
Series?
What on the engine? Well, yeah, there's different years, everything. So everything's come from the 30 different vehicles.
Yes. Whoa, 30 different vehicles.
Yeah, so 1935 radiator, 1951 engine, 1942 gearbox, 1932 axle and diff.
Yeah.
And then there's parts of international truck in there as well, and all kinds of bits and pieces.
I'm gonna conclude so that I want people to hear what he's saying, and also as we're going through it. And with this car, have you raced it at all?
I've raced it. I've been out twice. Yeah.
Twice.
Yeah.
Are you? Is the car planning to race again?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, can you please take us around the car and tell us a little bit about this car?
Sure. So this is an original Ford Flathead V8.
Yeah.
I bought it out of a truck and pulled it apart, put it back together again, just put some new gaskets in it and chucked it in there, and we started it 2 weeks ago. First time it's running like 50 years.
Whoa, and it takes you 2 weeks to get it together.
The engine, yeah, it was a few days. Just pull it apart, put it back together. It's got missing parts in it, but don't worry about that. Just put it back together.
Oh, that's nice. And how long? How many minutes does the car race here?
I don't know what the lap time is, but I just recorded 80 miles an hour. So
80 miles an hour. And how old is this car to race 80 miles an hour?
So it handles beautifully, drives nice, and it's been a lot of fun. So
That's good. Can you please show us more about the car? We're very interested.
So once I got the photo, then I had to build everything.
Yeah.
So this is all new sheet metal,
Yeah.
and I had to learn how to make all the calves and make all the hills and everything. And, so a fair bit of handiwork in there, and I just had to replicate the photo, and that is my plan.
That's good. And how many you tried for through or diesel does this car use?
Petrol, so using 91 leaded fuel,
In 1 liter.
91 unleaded fuel. Yeah, that's nice.
Please tell us about the electrical compactors of the car here.
So a lot of these parts I actually bought off eBay.
Really?
So the steering wheel, bits and pieces I bought on eBay. The controls down there bought on eBay. This came from America. The gauges came from America. The seats came out of Morris,
Yeah.
and I had them remade from a roadside collection leather lounge.
Oh, that's nice. That looks literally black, brand new.
Yeah. And my son helped me to put all the rivets in. Wow, they're all hand riveted, and and it goes really well.
Do you take this car around like a day, like day to day?
Yeah, I will be able to drive it on the road when I get a license. So
Oh, really? How long does it take to get a license from this?
hopefully just one inspection, and I'll have some legit number plates.
That is very, very nice. So check out this car. This car has been racing. This car has raced few times and it's still gonna race again. So imagine how old this car is and it's still racing. Man, just check it out. And also always, I'm going to tag the event organizer on Facebook. So you're gonna check out this car, how it races. And thanks so much for taking us around this car. Appreciate that, boss.
Sure.
Thank you so much.